said that you want that the matter should thoroughly be proved. So,
See, there are two versions for the suicide. While the contractor is suggesting one thing, the accused have also complained another aspect of the entire incident. So I am very clear saying that whatever needs to be done has to let there be an independent and free probe, and I myself have requested the Home Minister to for an independent investigative agency within the Home Department to investigate the matter. So quite naturally, the BJP thinks that they seem to have found something, but it's been a year since BJP is trying to get me to resign on frivolous grounds. Neither me, neither my department, nor the government is involved in all of these activities.
Already, or are you?
I have had a word with him, but Honorable Minister is not in Bangalore. So once he is back, I will discuss with him again.
So there are demands for not only your resignation, but for your arrest as well in this case, saying that
On
your
what
name
ground?
is...
See,
saying that there is
BJP.
certain-
One second. BJP does not understand the law, nor do they know that. Am I an accused? 8 people have been accused. Am I an accused? Does BJP know what the law is? Does BJP understand the the law of the land? On what basis? On what basis are they asking my arrest? Is my name there as abatement to suicide there? These people just want to practice politics, and their intention is very clear. They want to hide their own problems, internal problems. Mr. Yediyurappa is caught in the Poxco case, Mr. Muniratna case, Mr. C.T. Ravi case, and their own internal factionalism. YJP, VJP, AJP. They want to cover up all this, and not now. It's been 5 years. Priyank Kharge is their favorite dish on their menu.
Why is Priyanka always targeted?
Sorry?
Why is Priyanka always
That is because I have a very strong ideological inclination, which is against their political masters. So it's quite naturally that I am always being blamed. Tell me one thing that they were able to prove. It's been so many years. Tell me one thing they have been able to pin on me.